it feels like the world's falling down, I'll be there to lift you from the ground. Don't be afraid, just let me in, love me and I'll do the same.
Hey everybody, it's Marquita.
I'm Mommy. And I'm Daddy.
I'm Gary.
And we are here doing this taste test. It's the strawberry white milk chocolate, white cream, and strawberry cream. And this bag is open because I gave my niece and nephew some candy. I have not tried this yet. It was hard because I was wanting to eat it, but I haven't. So
I'm Mommy. And I'm Daddy.
Here's the regular ones. Get me a regular one. And then I always say that
I can open it all myself.
Right here.
that I don't like to try stuff beforehand because I like to have an authentic first impression
This is what it has
about them. So that's why I haven't had these.
That's one right here.
But I think I'm gonna try the strawberry one first
Strawberry too.
because I never had this strawberry Kit Kat.
Mommy, this is like an ice cream.
Wow.
This is what it looks like on the paper. Look at this.
It smells really nice. Smells like strawberries. This is what it looks like.
Mom, I want to try this one. Oh, yeah.
It's really good. Tastes like strawberry Nesquik.
Well, I'm trying mine.
Mmm.
Well, mine tastes like Kit Kat. Mine tastes, Mommy, mine tastes like them.
Well, bite it.
You like it?
Next, I'm going to try the white one.
What?
I like that strawberry one a lot.
That one's different.
Yeah.
Like it.
Here's the white one.
I'm gonna try this too.
You want one?
This tastes like white chocolate. Okay. I like the white one.
You want help? Here. Here. Eat it.
And then, of course, the classic chocolate.
I did like
Classic
this.
chocolate.
I did like this.
Try it.
Mine.
Huh?
Mine.
It's the same thing as that one.
Classic.
No, this is true.
Yours is the same thing. Look, look. It's the same thing.
I guess I'll just score the first two, the strawberry and the white one, because I have never had them, but I have had the classic chocolate. So it's really not fair for me to rate that one because I already had it before. The strawberry one is really good. They need to put that in stores all the time because it's really, really good. It's tastes like strawberry Nestle Quick to me. The white one was really good also. It just tastes like the other white chocolates, like the Zero bars, which I love Zero bars. They're like just regular white chocolate to me. Like the cookie and cream.
That's a different one. That's what we're rating. I know about that. What do you like?
It's like the cookie and cream Hershey bar.
I don't like it.
That's what
You don't
it's
like the
like.
white one. Okay. Did you like the pink one?
I didn't try
You
it.
need to try the pink one.
But
This paper can't get out.
I like them. The strawberry one was the best, and then chocolate, the regular classic chocolate,
I can do it.
and then the white one. But and only the reason why the white one is last is because it didn't have no distinct taste. It was just classic, and of course the chocolate one is always good. It's always so that's why it was second.
I like the strawberry real well. I don't much like white chocolate, so I give it dead last. Are you pleased?
I don't know. We're watching UConn man.
Somebody had their hand, look at their hand over there, just drip up storm.
Maybe it was old.
Look how fat hands
Charlie.
had.
It's probably Charlie.
I probably this.
Here, try that one.
I like this.
So, yeah, my rating would be first, of course, I like the classic best. That's
This
first.
is like
Then
cream.
strawberry, and then the white chocolate, in my opinion. The white chocolate, the strawberry was very good,
Yeah, they seen it.
but I still like the regular one.
But actually,
I don't like
still
the,
open it.
I don't like the wafer cookie flavor with it as much.
I'm gonna try it.
But that's just me.
What do you think, Savannah?
I guess it.
Did you like the strawberry?
Um,
Was it really, really good?
I'm going
You like the strawberry?
chocolate.
Does it taste
She gives
good?
it a chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you give it, yeah. Give it a strawberry.
I do that.
Hmm?
Gatorade! Oh, I
Gatorade.
miss.
You
Yes.
give it a Gatorade? Okay, she gives it a Gatorade. Well, you give the white one. She didn't like it at all.
I go that mother.
Give it mud.
I do that money.
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 I give it that money.
Okay.
I give it that money. I give it that Kita.
Give it a Kita.
I give it that daddy. And mommy.
Okay. You're a mess.
I'm mommy and not daddy.
Well, if y'all have tried all 3 flavors, comment down below and tell me if y'all like it or not. Or just comment and tell me if you have tried it before. I hope y'all like this video. And I hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Bye.
Bye.
Funky Bumpy says bye.